MSC Industrial Supply Co. It's not just about your consumables such as your tooling, your cooling, it's a lot more. You've got your vending machines, you can order up to 120,000 different products, but it's about relationships as well. Let's find out more at Picross Precision Engineering. We're at Picross Engineering. They've got a close relationship with MSC, but first of all, I want to find out more about Picross Engineering, please.
Picross Precision Engineering has been in business for over 42 years now, and we offer a one-stop shop in terms of CNC milling, turning, manual machining, powder coat painting, leak testing, welding and core assembly builds for added value across a diverse range of customer base to include high vacuum, analyzer and MOD.
So some high precision parts for some high quality customers. Any sort of material?
It could be any material, customer specified. We don't design our own parts here, it's all customer specified. It's predominantly stainless steel, a lot of casting work. It could be aluminium, brass.
Basically any subcontract requirement really. Sounds like that then, you've got a lot of consumable requirements. That's where the relationship with MSC comes in. So let's go and have a chat with the guys from MSC. MSC have been supplying Picross about 6 years. The Vend solution's only gone in about 12 months ago. So what is it offering? How is it helping them?
Yeah, so originally Picross were having multiple suppliers on their books, no real control or security over their inventory. So they wanted to put a Vend in to kind of gain a bit of visibility and traceability and control over their stock and rationalise their supply base a little bit.
When you say stock, what have you actually got in the vending machines?
So at the moment we've got cutting tools in there. Originally it started with 2 bays, but we were able to expand it to 3. We've started putting their coolants and their lubricants into it as well. So as we go down this road in this partnership, then we will start putting in PPE, MRO consumables to kind of rationalise even more for them.
So when you say it's a partnership and relationship, you're having regular meetings with Picross. What value is that adding?
So we do have regular meetings. We have a regular meeting each month, and also we have a quarterly business review where we can kind of sit down, review the Vend, review what's working, review the product profile which is in the Vend, see if we've got the right stock in there. Some items might need to come out, we might need to put some more in. So, and also it kind of gives us a bit of scope as to look at the engineering cost savings that we've done as well, to show them what savings we've been able to offer.
Okay, so it's not just a case of coming in, putting all your tooling in the vending machine,
no.
You analyse it, some of the slower moving parts for whatever reason will remain in the manual side. All this is making it much more efficient in terms of your admin, your POs, etc.
Yep, absolutely. It's a moving project. It's very bespoke, so it doesn't stop. So we're always reviewing it and making sure that they're getting the best from the Vend.
Graham, absolutely fantastic. So MSC, 120,000 products available, reducing costs, improving efficiency. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.